Ahmed I'm the President of Egyptian-China Business Relations Committee and the Vice President of Industry and Scientific Research Committee in the Egyptian Businessmen Association, EBA, in Egypt. It's my pleasure today to participate with you in the 8th anniversary of SUMEC Touched World. I'm honored to present an overview of Egypt's investment climate and the promising opportunities it offers. Together today, we will explore Egypt's ambitious vision for sustainable development and its growing role in the global economy.
We will start with Egypt Vision 2030. We'll give you the overview about its economic dimension, social dimension, and environmental dimension. We start with the economic reform program goals. Our aim in Egypt is to expand local and foreign investment and providing a more favorable investment environment. An overview about economic condition. The inflation rates, as you can see on the slide, it's around started to be in 2016 about 13.8%, and it have been fluctuating, and it reached 13.6%. The unemployment rate reached today, started in 2018, it was 12.4%. We reached today to rate which is 7.35. For the currency reserve, today Egypt have about 47.1 billion US dollars in currency reserve. One of the advantages of Egypt's economy, it have a diversity and high potential sectors integration and interest. For the industry, we have a wide base of in textile industry, agribusiness, engineering, pharmaceuticals, automotive, and feeding industry. Also in ICT, the location of Egypt in the middle of the world have given it an advantage to be on crossroad and on a base of communication, of connection between Europe and Asia and Africa, in having the high optical fiber connection for telecommunication. In the agribusiness, also Egypt have got vast programs for cultivation and for land reclamation. Also in logistics, Egypt have got a prime location on the Mediterranean Sea and also on the Red Sea, and have got highly developed and expanded ports with large logistical areas in connection to it. Also the government and also the international investments are coming in green energy, which is in high interest to our government, and we invite several brands, top brands, to come and invest in green energy. Also, Egypt advantage that they have young and skilled workforce. So we have 31 million skilled workers. Also diversified economy. We have developed infrastructure, as I said, and diverse trade agreements. We have about free trade agreements with over 112 countries, which allow the Egyptian production and Egyptian manufacturing to go to these markets without duties. Also, we enjoy diversity in having a development network for doing business in competitive way. We have free zones, we have industrial parks, we have investment parks, we have special economic zones, and also we have several incentives for tax rates. And also the logistically and the proximity to the markets are unique, which make it an attractive choice and on the first agenda of the investors. Also, Egypt have got a vast market. We are around 110 million in population, and also serving around 350 million population around us in other countries. So Egypt is considered a hub for Middle East and to North Africa. Also from this slide, you can see the Egypt location on the map, which is in yellow. Egypt have got unique agreements which makes its products manufactured in Egypt also float to these markets with zero duty. Egypt have got an agreement of COMISA and AFCA, which allow Egypt to have a free access of its product to 54 African countries without duties. Also, the Mercosur Egyptian production and products can be exported to Latin America and South America without duties, which is the Mercosur agreement. We have also qualified industrial zones agreement that make Egypt products produced in Egypt go to United States also without duties. And we have the European Egyptian Partnership Agreement, which allow Egyptian products to fly to Europe without customs duty. This slide shows the advantages for making the qualified industrial zones in Egypt. This is one of the very senior, very interesting agreements that we would like to highlight it to you so that you can see how much it can be advantageous for any project that would like to invest in Egypt. He will have a free access to United States market, especially in leather and footwear, in glass products, in food commodities. These three classes enjoy big development and a lot of requests for manufacturing under the qualified industrial zone. In the free zones in Egypt, we have three locations, and these three locations you have free customs and free taxes on you on the project, and also there is technology zones that you have for ICT. In agriculture, last year Egypt ranked the first place in the export of oranges worldwide, the first place in the production of frozen vegetables, one of the top three largest global potato exporters. In industry, the target or the scheme of the government in Egypt is to reach by 2030 manufacturing of 400 to 500 cars annually, which is 4 times or maybe 3.5 times what is exported or produced now. So there is an ambition plan for automotive industry in Egypt. Also in industry, there is 152 investment opportunity ready for all sectors within the framework of depending on the local component. And this is a main mission for the Egyptian government, and there are many incentives are given in such kind of for transformation industry to transform this abundant raw material into final products. And it covers wood and furniture, textiles, building material, pharmaceuticals, food, metal, chemical, engineering, all the sectors. We have many raw material that can be an attractive investment opportunity. We try to memorize for you an overview, fast overview about it. This is just for your reference for the 152 investment opportunity in various industrial products. For the SMEs, it contributes about 43% of our GDR, and it accounts 75% of our employment force. For electricity and energy, Egypt is considered one of the most competitive countries for its very reasonable cost for gas and fuel and also electricity. This is why the high intensity industries for gas and fuel, they come and enjoy good saving if they produce in Egypt. Also, Egypt have adopted very attractive export incentives for the project that will be produced in Egypt. Thank you very much, and we welcome any question and welcome you in Egypt anytime. Thank you.